Zhilei Zhang and Zhou Joyce gonna fight one more time, and last time they fought, well, Zhilei Zhang won Zhou Joyce via stoppage due to a swollen shot, and it was a good fight. I mean, Zhou Joyce wasn't that bad in their last outing, and I hope Zhou Joyce will this time come out victorious. Zhou Joyce didn't do bad. I mean, 37 years of age, 6'6", 80 inches of reach. He was better than Joseph Parker, Christian Hammer, Carlos Takam, Daniel Dubois, and he is a master of jabs. And Zhilei Zhang on the other side knows to duck under those jabs, and this could be a big problem. So, yeah, I believe this boring fighting style is red nowadays, so I'm gonna go with no distance again. I mean, Zhou Joyce is making a lot of damage, and we might expect a doctor stoppage, but I don't think Zhilei Zhang could win 2 times in a row, so I'm gonna say fight will not go the distance side, call Zhou Joyce.